What is going on, you guys? Alex here with T-Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be checking out our luggage area PPF kit for the Tesla Model S. We're going to be walking you through the install and showing you everything you need to know about the product. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So we have our PPF piece right here for the luggage area on the rear bumper. We've got some cleaning supplies, some squeegees. We've got our slip solution and our tack solution. So the soap and water is the slip. It's going to allow you to move the piece around and get it into position before it actually sticks. And then the alcohol mixture is what's going to evaporate that soap and water and allow the product to stick. So we're going to be working on this area of the rear bumper right here in the hatch opening. Common area that gets damaged a lot with pulling things in and out of the back of the vehicle. So the PPF is going to go right here and protect our bumper from scratches. So first thing we need to do is wash this area and get it clean. I'm going to come in with a little bit of alcohol and just make sure this area is clean and dry. All right, now we're clean, dry, ready for PPF. I'm going to go ahead and wet the bumper with the soap and water. And same thing on our PPF. As we peel, we will spray with soap and water. Now we also want to spray the outside of our PPF with soap and water to prevent scratching as we're working and squeegeeing. So on edges like this, once you have it where you want it, you can use some of the alcohol solution to kind of dry it up and get it to stick down. Alright, and that does it for us today on our Model S rear luggage area PPF install. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.